Originally, you need to use this kind of tool to install accessory drive belt on Ford, and this is installation order with this tool. Maybe it's not for this specific engine, but very similar. This installation order is for the power steering belt with usage of another type of tool, but principle is the same. I think I will use this tool. So I'll be using long nose locking pliers, and for safety of the belt I put 2 pieces of rubber hoses on the nose of the pliers, and I will rotate engine anti-clockwise to put that belt on anti-clockwise direction. Also, if you don't have this kind of tools for installation of the stretch belt at the moment, but really need to replace that belt, maybe this will be a quick solution for you. And I made additional tool from piece of aluminum stripe, so now with help of the locking pliers and this piece of aluminum, I'll try to install the stretch belt. And let's look at the belt damage now. And I can't see any damage on the belt, so this method probably works. And there is a small issue. Belt on the pulley of the power steering pump is a little bit offset, and I need to correct this position of this belt. I'll push lower part of the belt in direction of the engine block and rotate engine until belt fits on the pulley. Until it fits. Correct now. You can check belt tensioning in this way by rotating belt at 90 degrees. And no damage. So with help of the self-locking pliers and 2 pieces of the aluminum stripe, I installed the stretch belts with no problem. So this method probably works, but this stripe needs to have round edges. I've installed this one, just these pliers, and with this tool from the aluminum I put inside of the belt and rotate until it gets to the top, but you need to hold in this place. And over there on the alternator. To hold belt on the alternator pulley, you can use spring type paper clip or self-locking pliers. It goes and not damaging the belt. It will go straight to the top.